Hi friends, it's Mrs. Smith here from Hope Gardens. I miss you guys a lot, and I've just been thinking about you and a way I can connect with you, and I just wanted to read to you today a very favorite story of mine called The Carrot Seed. Do you remember we read it during Hope Gardens time? Yeah, well today I want to read it and have you read it with me, and to think things like, let's plant a seed and hope for the future and never give up. Okay? All right, let's read it together. The Carrot Seed by Ruth Krauss. A little boy planted a carrot seed. His mother said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." His father said, "It won't come up." His big brother said, "It won't come up." Every day the little boy, what did he do? He pulled up the weeds around the seed and sprinkled the ground with water. But nothing came up. And nothing came up. Everyone kept saying it wouldn't come up. But he still pulled up the weeds around it every day and sprinkled the ground with water. And then one day, a carrot came up. Just as the little boy had known it would. Did he give up? No. So let's remember that. Let's keep trying, never give up, keep believing. Things are going to get better. We're going to get back to where we can be together again, and you're going to get to be with your friends again. So read some books, plant a seed, and hope for tomorrow.